Hello students, welcome you all to our YouTube educational channel Augmenting Concepts. Students, as we have started with our sessions on skeletal system human, today we are once again going through this diagram and we are going to discuss about the bones of the foot. Fine. And then under the coming slide we will be discussing on the bones of the hand. So it was the diagram which we have got in the previous slide. The names are here. If it was not clear to you, you can see over here. I think it was a bit, I feel like that it was a bit not clear, the names, it was a bit hazy, I think. So I have again brought the diagram for you. So these are the names: frontal bone, nasal bone, temporal bone, zygomatic bone, maxilla, sternum. Then for the arm bones, this is the forearm, ulna and radius. This is the hip bone or pelvic girdle, ilium, pubis and ischium. It is the mandible, 7th cervical vertebra, 1st thoracic vertebra, 1st rib. And the detail I have already given you in the previous slide. Kindly see that, so you will be knowing about each and every detail about the situation of the bone. Now for the shoulder girdle, clavicle and scapula are there. For the arm bone, upper arm and humerus. This is the 12th thoracic vertebra. This is the 12th rib. Then comes 1st lumbar vertebra, then 5th lumbar vertebra, then sacrum, then coccus, femur and the thigh bone, femur bone, and which we call it thigh, isn't it, for the leg bone. Then this is patella and kneecap, you can say also. The another name for patella is kneecap. Then for the leg bone, two bones are again there, tibia and fibula, both make the leg. Fine. And for the foot bone, tarsus or calcaneus. Fine. So moving on to the next slide, for the foot bones, here is the diagram, students. These are the foot bones. This is the foot. Fine. The foot we are in which we have got our ankles. Fine. Another bones and the finger bones, isn't it? So you will get the details. So you can see in the diagram there are two parts of the foot, isn't it? There are two parts of the foot. The upper part is called tarsus and the lower part is called the phalanges of toes, isn't it? So the tarsus is composed of calcaneus, talus, lateral cuneiform bone, this thing, isn't it? Ankle, the लोअर एंकर पोर्शन जिसको हम एडी भी कहते हैं, वो उसके बाद में एंकल हमारा, और फिर क्यूनिफॉर्म, ये बीच वाली जो बोन्स हैं. फाइन. उसके बाद जो अंगुलियां शुरू हो रही हैं, द फिंगर्स विच आर स्टार्टिंग, दीज आर कॉल्ड मेटाटार्सल बोन. दीज आर मेटाटार्सल bone. And the lower part in which the fingers, mainly the toe part, is there, is called phalanges of toes. This is composed of three parts. Phalanx of toes is consist of three parts: proximal bone, middle bone and distal bone. Fine. The upper finger bone is called proximal bone for each one. Then middle bone is called middle, and the last bone is called distal bone. So this is the structure of our foot, and these are the bones which we are having in the foot, and this structure is compositely called as foot. Now in the next slide, in the next session, we will see the hand bone portion. How do you like it? Please make me comment me in the comment box. And how do you understand this? What should be the improvement for our slides? Kindly let me know. If you have any questions, kindly ask me in the comment box. Thank you so much, students.